If you're interested in artificial intelligence, then I recommend you watch this video because today we are going to talk about a tool that allows you to run thousands of different models on your local computer. In this video, we will explore Hugging Face. This will be a mini tutorial that gives you a comprehensive understanding of what Hugging Face is and what you can do with it if you're fascinated by artificial intelligence. I recommend you watch this video because we will be able to run different AI models on a local computer. If you're ready, let's get started. First, what exactly is Hugging Face? Simply put, it is an open-source AI platform specializing in natural language processing through transformer models. Whether you want to analyze text, generate creative content, or work with images and audio, Hugging Face has something for you. In order to start using Hugging Face, first of all, go to huggingface.co. As you can see, we are here on the dashboard. If you look over to the top, you will see the pricing tab. Once you click on it, you will see all their plans. They have a free plan, a pro plan, spaces, hardware, interface endpoints, and their enterprise hub. You can choose your desired plan. Now, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Here, you need to confirm that you are human. You can also choose the language according to your preference. Click on Begin and then complete the task to verify. Once you are done, click on Confirm. Now we are on the joining page. Here, you need to enter your email address and password. Type in your email address and below it, you will see a note suggesting using your organization email to easily find and join your company or team. Keep that in mind if you're going to use Hugging Face for work. Now, type in your password. Make sure that it is strong and meets all the requirements mentioned below. If the password does not match the requirements, you will not be able to proceed. Customize your password accordingly, then click on Next. On this page, you need to complete your profile. First, type in your username. Then, enter your full name in the section provided. You can add an avatar if you want, but this is optional. Click on the icon to generate an avatar. Enter a prompt, then click on Generate. The system will generate an avatar based on your input. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient. Once it is done, click on Set as Avatar. You can also add your GitHub username and LinkedIn profile, but this is optional. Go through the optional details, then click on Create Account. If the username you entered is already taken, you will need to choose another one. Try using a unique name, possibly adding numbers. Once you find an available username, proceed with account creation. Now, your account is created and you will be directed to the Hugging Face dashboard. The Hugging Face Model Hub is a repository where you can find pre-trained models for a wide range of tasks, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and audio processing. These models are contributed by the community and Hugging Face itself. The Datasets library at Hugging Face provides a simple and efficient way to access various datasets that can be useful for machine learning and data-driven projects. Spaces on Hugging Face provide an easy-to-use platform for users to deploy machine learning models and showcase interactive AI applications. If you want to showcase your AI model, Hugging Face is one of the best places to do that. There are many different models available from big companies and independent developers. Let me show you an example. I will select a random model for image generation. First, I will choose the one with the most likes. This one is Stable Diffusion. Let's try the demo. All you need to do is write a prompt and press the Generate Image button. Here is the result. As you can see, the web interface makes it easy to try different models. You can also do this in code, and I will show you how later. Let's go back to Spaces and try another model. This time, I will try background removal. I will find an image and upload it. After pressing the Submit button, the application may take some time to process, depending on GPU availability. Once it is done, the background is removed and the image is ready. It works perfectly. Now, let's talk about the coding part. Hugging Face Transformers is a core library that supports a broad array of transformer models. Transformers are a type of deep learning model that excels at understanding the context and nuances of language. The library provides many pre-trained models and fine-tuning tools for different tasks such as text classification, tokenization, translation, and summarization. Let's go back to the Hugging Face website and open the Models page. There are many models available. Some require more computing power, so keep in mind that performance may vary depending on your hardware. You can apply filters to find specific models for tasks such as computer vision, text processing, and audio analysis. To learn more about a model, click on it to see the details. Some models require you to accept terms and conditions before use, while others do not. Let's try a text classification model. I will select the most popular one. This is BGE Ranker. To use it, click on the model and follow the instructions. Since this model does not require accepting terms, simply copy the provided code, paste it into your IDE, and run it. Some instructions may reference different libraries, so find the one related to transformers and use that. Now, let me show you a text generation model. In the list, we have models like Mistral, Alama, and others. I will try Phi 2 Mini from Microsoft because it is lightweight and does not require much memory. Click on the model, read the instructions, and click the Use this model button. Sometimes the code under this button is incomplete, so I recommend using the full instructions instead. After pasting the code into the IDE, I will run it. If you encounter an error, restart your computer, as it may be due to missing dependencies. For a final example, try working with images using the Blip image-to-text model from Salesforce. This model generates captions based on images. Simply copy the provided example and paste it into an IDE. The default image features a dog on a beach with a person nearby. Running the code generates a caption that accurately describes the image. To test further, replace the default image with a different one and rerun the model. The generated caption should correctly describe the new image as well. Hugging Face is free to use, but there is a pro account with additional features. I recommend trying the free version first before deciding if you need the paid one. That covers the basics of using Hugging Face. Hugging Face is an essential platform for AI developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. It provides a collaborative environment where users can share and improve models, datasets, and applications. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, Hugging Face makes AI more accessible and easier to integrate into real-world projects. And that's it. Thank you for watching.